However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see, and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. We are all now connected by the internet, like neurons in a giant brain. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. We are in danger of destroying ourselves by our greed and stupidity. We cannot remain looking inwards at ourselves on a small and increasingly polluted and overcrowded planet. Not only does God play dice, but He sometimes throws them where they cannot be seen. I believe alien life is quite common in the universe, although intelligent life is less so. Some say it has yet to appear on planet Earth. Success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last, unless we learn how to avoid the risks. People won't have time for you if you are always angry or complaining. Science is not only a disciple of reason but also one of romance and passion. With genetic engineering, we will be able to increase the complexity of our DNA and improve the human race. But it will be a slow process, because one will have to wait about 18 years to see the effective changes to the genetic code. We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. I would like nuclear fusion to become a practical power source. It would provide an inexhaustible supply of energy, without pollution or global warming. The past, like the future, is indefinite and exists only as a spectrum of possibilities. I have noticed even people who claim everything is predestined, and that we can do nothing to change it, look before they cross the road. If the rate of expansion 1 second after the Big Bang had been smaller by even 1 part in 100,000 million, it would have recollapsed before it reached its present size. On the other hand, if it had been greater by a part in a million, the universe would have expanded too rapidly for stars and planets to form. I believe things cannot make themselves impossible. Stem cell research is the key to developing cures for degenerative conditions like Parkinson's and motor neuron disease, from which I and many others suffer. The fact that the cells may come from embryos is not an objection, because the embryos are going to die anyway.